Welcome back to Cooking with Chef Gold. Today's menu, you saw on the thumbnail, we got chicken, we got rice, we got Hawaiian rolls, and we also got some broccoli. Time to season the chicken. We're gonna use Tony Szechuan's Creole. We're gonna use McCormick Montreal chicken. We're gonna use some black pepper. Of course, we're gonna use some lemon pepper, because why not? And I'm also gonna put a little hot sauce for a little kick. We're gonna mix this into our season. So I got about 7 strips of chicken. Gonna season that up what it looks like so far. Season, a little bit of lemon juice. Not a fan of hot sauce for real, but to cook your food in, just to get a little bit of flavor, hot sauce gonna do it. All right, that's enough. So this is what we got once again. Just put butter in pan. About to start putting this chicken in there. Smells so good, y'all. And when you cooking, hey, ain't nothing wrong with adding a little bit more seasoning to it. Make sure it's good. Just the beginning, y'all. Just the beginning. When this chicken done, the rice gonna be done. We got Hawaiian rolls. I might come up with something creative to do with this. Might just slap some butter on top and eat it. We're gonna see. Where that lemon pepper at? Where that lemon pepper at? That's what I need. Lemon pepper stepper, you feel me? Hold on. We gotta switch out the lemon peppers. You gotta have more than one lemon pepper on deck. Yes, much better, much. It's progressing smoothly. So we're gonna put a little pepper in there as well. Just because I like my rice with some flavor to it. Ain't nothing sticking to the bottom, ain't nothing burning. We're doing what we're supposed to do. Couple more minutes on that. I had flipped my chicken once again. Let's check in on the chicken. Yeah, they look. I think they sound good. My cameraman getting a whiff. Well, looks pretty done to me. Oh my God. Oh, I hurt myself. Oh, I hurt go. But that was good. Put out for you. Yeah, I see that smile on your face. I see that smile on your face. Y'all. That shit busted.
It's juicy too.
Dang.
Yeah.
It ain't that bad.
A little bit.
It just made me ask you.
You think it's red? It's really red.
Yeah, it is red. They ain't bleeding. Blood, sweat, and tears over this chicken. I die about it.
And I'll die for this shit too.
At that. Boy. Boy. And I still got 2 more to cook. I still got 2 more to filet mignon real quick. Rice was gonna be done pretty much the exact same time as the chicken. Yeah, need to go ahead and drain this. Personally, guys, one of the best meals I ever cooked, and I ain't even ate this product. Rice, nice chicken. That's gonna do it for this video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Chef Gold has done it once again. Let me see y'all in the next one.